Yeah, dirty pot.
Yeah. That means that when time ready to scour it off.
Jamaican breakfast. Yeah, at the 5-star backyard.
Style, you know? Forget the fork.
And we have to eat the food. Good morning, Paris. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. With that St. Mary. St. Mary with that. St. Mary would say it's a beautiful October morning. To be exact, the 10th of October. It is a beautiful morning. And I just want to say I hope that everything is okay. Everything is going good with you and the fam bam and all of that. And you know most of all I'd like it to be when you're watching this video, you're going to cock up in your bed and I watch what go on with Debbie down a yard. I'm here, I'm on my veranda and all of that. We are here, I'm going to come early. I'm going to make me some breakfast. So I'll be taking you along with me to show you what kind of breakfast me I'm going to make at St. Mary. Gotta do what you gotta do. Next clip. It's cool, but it's not sweet. Share. I'm on my way to making some cornmeal porridge and saltfish fritters party and all of that. So a lot of things are going on, a lot of different things, and this is show them camera girl. This is the pandemic awning. This is our new awning, temporary awning, just for now. So this is show them the pandemic awning. Pandemic awning right over. Yeah. Pandemic awning. And all of that things is getting real. Things that tune up at St. Mary. Getting to get. Yeah. And all of that. We're going to be making cornmeal porridge with some green coconut milk in it. When we say green coconut, so it for look. Stove a catch and we'll soon catch you in the next clip. Where is Scooby? Scooby? Mrs. Scooby, I go up the road a while ago. I walk and I go on like she a joke like Jojo Winer. No mackerel around here today. It's porridge. And Scooby, she left them and gone about fear business. Go and look man to get more baby. And fear people and fear man them what she a looking up. Them no look about kids. Scooby baby father them don't look about children. That's not too much if you say that too much. No, you can't put that on the table, but you can't put the what is something name? Oh, Scooby. But me I try call to Scooby a while ago. We are come down in the car, she no look.
He run.
I mean I see her already a whole day. Me I say I through the building tear down. She must get scared and run away. I pregnant, she want Scooby, you pregnant, you're pregnant. Black Panther, your days are, yeah, go on, man. And she go around the place in Ireland. Come here, darling.
Just guys.
Come, Black Panther, come here. So I'm here, Parry. And you don't worry about this. This is smooth. This is rough, from rough to smooth. We still have a nice kitchen and all of that. But at the end of it, we've got to make our food, and I may make food. We are making cornmeal porridge on the cold stove at the front, and we in here try to get 2 look of fritters in. This is the Jamaican Debbie strain. I told you all on my cooking channel that I am all purpose, and I want you to watch and to follow, cock up in your bed and watch and see how I go through it when things rough, and when the smooth part come, how I go through it too. Yeah, all purpose Debbie. Catch you. So Parry, this is my little look at. I cut up it to measure them too big, but a roughness. I'm not there in the look of neat and fine, but see. So I put in my flour and mix up my butter, and then I'm going to get back to you because things are a little bit complicated as it is. All the gloves them match up, but that's how it goes. May work through it. May work through it. I have the bigger container enough to mix the cornmeal, but me I need today. Oh boy. But I soon get there in a Parry. I soon get there. Uncle Murphy. Soon get there. I'll soon get there. See it there? Me I go on. Bring out that look on. See it there? Uncle Murphy. You go there so now, you know. Somebody have it there, so you see it? Can't make it get lump up. Yeah, no make it get lump up. Me I go look on the fritters then. Here. If you get lump up, you lose your work.
Alright.
I can't borrow that depending you know. So if you get the lump up, you get out of hand your parry. Wanna see how me I feel walk? Whoa, you win a 3 bad. We catch him in cob. She never gone too bad. And I like that. Make we turn down the stove a little bit here. We are growing, they go safe. Uncle Murphy has lost the job. Riding and whistling in St. Mary. Uncle Murphy, sorry. You sorry, Uncle Murphy?
Stirring.
Alright, we are coming now with some milk, you know. Me nearly dropped too. Alright, you go store now, you know. I milk this? Alright, so store him. Store him. Yeah, store?
I'm stirring.
Store, sir, store.
Keep stirring.
Cob. Handle, handle. You want it? Alright. Boy, go on with the kettle. We want some more water. And I like that. Rough work, this parry. But travel with me upon the rough work until the rain is reaches smooth. Baba Green Road, Uncle Murphy. And if you say we are going to reach Baba Green?
Of course.
Yeah. Where they follow them there? Country life. Coop, 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 coop.
No.
Yeah. Fall time. Where they follow them there? Green coconut milk. And all of that. In a family porridge. And right away as we finish, come on girl, follow me.
Good. 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 It's your yard, look the one.
See, that's how we do it our country. And all of that. Jacko, show them what go on there. Show them.
Now the pan
That's
the mortarboard, you know. The mortarboard do the pan right now. I'm about to shoot the pan the mortarboard. I'll show a mix up. And me I go and carry, you know. That's how the work around.
Paris, this is our cornmeal porridge. When you know your thing, you know your thing. With green coconut milk in it and all of that. Look at the smoothness. So look here. When you know your thing, you know your thing. Country, foreign, town, or anywhere. Whether you have stainless steel kitchen, you have wood fire, you have all them kind of hand in here. When you know what to do, you know what to do. When you get them, you use them and you have to just adjust yourself. All purpose, we ain't got no thing to thing this. So we're going to scrape a little of the nutmeg into the porridge to get a little. And all of that going on. Because we ain't got no grater around here. And all of that. So we have scrape a little of the nutmeg and all of that. So, comment and talk to me. Come along, move along with me in the comment section. I don't know, say me nutmeg on me. I don't like the whole heap of nutmeg and all of that, you know. So, Uncle Murphy, you're supposed to be here giving this a little stir every now and then. And all of that. So, it take it time I come down for the cornmeal grain. Them just cook out and dissolve parry. And all of that. Going back to the fritters. Me busy like a beast. Alright, next set Africa. Next set Africa. Yeah, make so much nice stuff.
Push it back.
Yeah, your sugar is here. So I'll give back and some part. Don't put the some food here.
That's what the whole of it is. We use a pound sauce.
Things bad today, we not no mackerel shot. Give me drink little porridge. And fat, a porridge you want. And so she feel live. Black Panther, come here.
You know you do what I should have.
Pardon me, want to no comment, you know. Third batch of fritters, this right here, so. Third batch of fritters. See, me got 2 batches here. Oh, me are carrying this some porridge ready that I go and fry. And look here, I'm ready for start eating now. I'm like them they are fry. It is Jamaican Debbie straight. If I come here, so I can do what I have to do. I gotta do what I gotta do. Yeah, mix out some with Dad. Look, come along, gentlemen. Breakfast ready. Dad, put on the paintbrush and come. You have a way when me call you for food. You have one like you take forever. You know, want to come. And make sure the show some.
I know why you lose your work, you know.
Come, Dad. Uncle Murphy say you're my friend too long. You don't want to see you lose your work.
I don't want you lose your work.
But Dad, you look good in a St. Mary, yeah, boy. Come here. You're the one that laugh after Dad. Alan, steal it. What the fuck? Who's the fuck?
They mean I want box there, you know.
No man, what fuck? Come here, you turn the fritters there. Where is it?
No.
Oh, God, don't let
Look in the kitchen,
Look in the kitchen. Third batch of fritters, Barry. And all of that. Well, if a strong work called for strong food, Camille, porridge and saltfish fritters. Yeah, she love the porridge too. Yeah, Black Panther, so you're going to look nice and sweet. Them porridge are special porridge.
You drink that porridge, you're fat
Yeah,
and
drink
no
them porridge,
strength.
you're round and favor any full moon. So Parry, breakfast is over. Me I eat one orange for carry and everything. They mend them out pan this to take a little break from for them work. And all like that. And I sit down in a house here. Yeah. Then the life of a St. Mary Homemaker. Breakfast is finished. Me I tidy up house when I'm done. Yeah, I'm tidy up out. So this is where box top for breakfast. And all of that. Camera girl, can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi who?
Hi guys.
Okay. So I catch you in another video when I'm tidying up the house. Okay, make sure you don't miss that one. Remember to make sure that you're subscribed to the Jamaican Dividends Train. When you do subscribe, remember to hit the notification bell, press the option that says all. Remember, we'll be giving away black cakes on this channel too and all of that. So today is Saturday. You know, Saturday is always an extra busy day at home, so I got the house to tidy up and have the fridge for wipe out and all of that. So when we're doing that, it will be another video and I'll catch you. And I just want you to make sure that you just stay love, stay blessed, and never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you. Stay on top of things like how you see me I do.